Alright, check this out guys. Dito kami ngayon sa bago naming lilipatan na boarding house. Ito yung cabinet with a mirror. And next will be the CR. Ayan siya. So by the way guys, bagong-bago to. Kami yung unang-unang lilipat at titira dito sa apartment na to. And yeah, that's the CR. And ito yung magiging bed. Yan, bagong-bago rin siya. And yan, check natin. Okay, turn around. So, ayan yung kabuuhan ng kwarto. And for this one, ito yung balcony. Medyo madilim so di na kami lumabas. So, we're just checking out. And this is my friend from Vietnam. Yeah, her name is Amy. And this is going to be like the lobby of the, or corridor. Right, so yun na nga, napakita na namin sa mga expat dyan around Georgia. You can check this out.